Hi, Gareth from Port Monkeys here, and today we're in Qaqortoq, Greenland. And there's the Caribbean Princess, the ship we came on. This is the tender dock. When you get off it, there's a gift shop right here. There's also these cool rock carvings here. Now, we've been here before and we walked around that point. That's the first store, that red building, the last building you can see. But today we're just gonna walk up by the lake. I am.
Okay.
And now you are too, because you're being recorded.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, follow it.
So, we're gonna move a little fast. Remember, this is Greenland. And of course, some people say Iceland is green and Greenland is ice, right? That's the big joke or whatever, but this part of Greenland is green, at least this time of year. It is the middle of August. I know because my birthday was 2 days ago. But look at these flowers. Anywho, there's several monuments and things around. Janet will tell you that's a museum. They're mainly, fishing people. But I think they still hunt seals and skin them and sell the furs. That's why they have a fur store over there. You should be careful in town. Hey, that's a taxi. There are very few taxis, but people, some of them anyway, they want to get where they're going, get to work or whatever. So they don't want to wait while you walk in the middle of the road. Of course, I guess that's true of everywhere, right? So I'm going to cross the road like the chicken. Down there is a fish market. I don't know if it'll be open today. We may get there. And I'm not sure what that is. But the door's open, it has a sign on it. There's a church right there, that white building on the hill. And I'm gonna guess this is a bus stop. Hey, it looks like Janet. And I'm guessing that's Greenland's bank?
The window's broken.
With a broken window, yeah. And that's Iiju. Don't know what that means. This is first. That's a big bus. As Greenland buses go. So we've come up over the rise, and of course you can see the pretty colored buildings. So the lake is over there. You can kind of see part of it. We came from down there, walked uphill. It's not that hard of a climb. And right up here is the lake.
Nice drone.
Oh, look, I see a Janet. Let's walk out here. And you can see the other end of the lake. I mean, I don't know if there's a trail all the way around it, but it would take hours, I imagine. Hours. I notice a lot of people going on up this street. I think it just ends up there to the residential area. No, or it could be Iceland poppies.
Yeah.
Are these
There's a
poppies?
white Iceland poppy over there.
Yeah. So a lot of flowers, a lot of green. The water shuttle dock is on the other side of this hill. So we walked down to another part of the lake. You can see a large soccer field, a soccer pitch, whatever, out there. I guess we should go down. Starting to be bugged by little flies. I don't think they're mosquitoes, just little flies. And I did bring mosquito net, but I didn't bring it here. It's in the cabin on the ship. Clear. You can see how big the lake is from here, I suppose. As long as you keep moving, the flies don't bug you much, but whenever you stop, then they start to swarm. I'm raising it way up so you can see around. Yeah, a fly just flew in my mouth. Almost. Oh, we saw these in Norway. These little cotton things. I looked up the name and I put them in a Norway video. I don't remember the name now. But you probably know it. See them? Trails going up. I guess we'll walk out to the end. Ooh, I hope you can hear me. I have the camera up about 6 feet. 2 meters. I see birds out in the water. Rock here. Now you can see soccer field. Sit out here. Oh, there's a trail out here. So there's the tinder boats, the tinder dock, water shuttles, whatever you want to call them. You got people selling things here. There's carvings in the stones up there. This is a gift shop. And that's Janet. I'm just not sure what she's doing.
Looking at the sign for the doors.
Oh, okay. And then there's
This place is too crowded to go into.
people everywhere. But they're welcoming us. See that? And of course there's the Caribbean Princess at anchor in the bay. Harbor. Whatever. Let's go up there. So we came down from the lake over there. We come up the hill. We're trying to get up there. This is a cemetery, the town cemetery. One of them, anyway. these are people's houses. And they have a gate, right? I think it's locked, but there's no fence. So you could walk through there if you wanted to. Not sure what the purpose of the gate is. So we came around this building and we're getting on this stairway, and I guess they can close this door if they want. Hopefully if they do, they don't lock it. Although I guess we could go back down that way. Hey! Now you're in the video. He said port monkeys as he walked by us. I don't know if you heard it. So this is going to be a lot of steps. And I'm simulcasting again. So the tender dock is right down there. This is going to be a long way up, so get ready. So the stairs, boardwalk over there. Now we're kind of up on top. I guess the top is way up there. But it doesn't hurt to go out here. Look. I see they have an actual platform up here. There's a building up here. Pile of rocks. So there's a platform that you can sit on, stand on, take your picture on. And there's a path. Now, some people climb up over on that side, climb up the face of the rock. We're taking the path. Because it has stairs, sort of. And a Christmas tree. This is a good view of the town, and that's the whole town right there. You can see almost everything from here. Yeah, I wonder if that's somebody's house. Looks like some old equipment, although maybe it's new to them. And I'm sure it's old. Oh, it's a winch to bring stuff up from down below. But I don't think they use it, although it doesn't look that rusty on the cable. But that doesn't look good. Oh, well, this is not the top of the mountain. This is the top of the hill. There's a, see? And we're not going to go there today. We used to go to the pile of rocks. That somebody knocked down. There's the lake. There's the ship. And there's Janet. Iceberg. Over there's a big iceberg. That's as big as the ship. I guess there's another hill over there you could climb, or you could go down and go all the way up. Oh, there's people over there.
That iceberg is half the size of the ship,
Well, I think this is big.
if not more.
So we came down from the boardwalk, the stairs, down that path. This is the fish market, but we're too late to see any fish. Well, except those. Let's go down to the water. Hey, ducks. So that's a carving of something. I don't know what. Maybe you can make it out. It's like large and round with a thing on it. Anyway, we're going to cross that bridge, and the Tender Pier is right on the other side. Sesame, I believe, is a store, and I guess this guy sells pottery. Let's go check it out. Of course, that's the river. It's a hardware store. Fishing poles. Is that you? Ah. So here's your mosquito nets. And $11 US. I think we got 4 of them for $6. Oh, some cheaper ones. Anyway, so across this bridge and back out. So from Qaqortoq, Greenland, I'm Gareth.
And I'm Janet. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.